देखो बॉबी सर को देखो, हम सुधर गए, बॉबी सर बिगड़ गए. बॉबी सर, whose first movie I went to see in the theater. तेरी अदाओं पे मरता हूँ. तुझसे बिछड़ने डरती हूँ. लव तुझे लव में. Jungle Boy. The real national crush. I'm getting messages from my friends and all my cousins and all people like, Sri Leela, bro, what are you working with Sri Leela, bro? My cousin from Bangalore also, he was like, bro, Sri Leela, please just get me a picture with Sri Leela. Or Malkin,
कुछ भी
पिक्चर शुरू करें मालकिन.
जी जी
आपको कुछ कहना है मालकिन?
10 साल का प्यार बताना है
जफ्फी वाले.
Hi, Sri Leela. Welcome to the party, and the party is you.
A very good afternoon. Hi, Manishka. Hope all well.
All is supremely well. We can't wait to see you.
A very good afternoon. कैसे का है मुंबई?
Aggo?
नहीं, but मैं पहले I think I'd like to say कि मेरी पहली पिक्चर रिलीज होने से पहले आपने बहुत प्यार दिखाया मुझे, and I'm very very grateful to that. Thank you so much.
Yes. This is actually, in a way, Sri Leela, your first foray into Hindi cinema in a way with this brand ad for
Yeah, with
Ching's
this ad.
Secret.
Yeah.
Congratulations. सच बताओ बहन, ये जब तुम शूट कर रही थी तो कितना शेजवान चटनी और डोसा साथ में तुमने खाया, और इज दैट अलाउड?
एक्चुअली वो काफ़ी ट्रिकी था क्योंकि मुझे एक्शन करना था and I had to not eat a lot, but खा लिया मैंने थोड़ा सा.
हाँ. And also, since it's Ching's Secret and so many people are here for a secret, Sri Leela, हम आपसे एक कोई भी secret जानना चाहेंगे. Then I will tell them one which, of course, you told me backstage about the. But I'll tell you. No, you tell me one secret.
क्या बोलूँ? आप क्या जानना चाहते हो? I think.
नहीं, ये कभी ऑडियंस से कभी नहीं पूछ रहे थे क्या जानना चाहते हो, क्योंकि then it's over. वो तो बहुत कुछ जानना चाहते हैं. All right, I have one for you. Sri Leela is, by the way, a doctor. आप लोगों को पता था ये बात? Yes. So that's a secret that there are a lot of people who didn't know that. Would you prescribe Ching's Secret to our audience?
Ching's. I mean, I would probably have to if they want to add some spice to their lives.
Who doesn't? Who doesn't in this city? Yes. Tell me how it was. This whole experience, like we're saying, it's going to be an ad. It's a world premiere that this audience gets to see first. How was it for you working with Atlee and Agent Ching?
Asian Ching, नहीं बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे, and I think ये obviously ad वाला feeling नहीं था because it was shot so grandly, and especially Atlee sir, I've been a huge fan of his work since his film Raja Rani, so that's been my favorite, and I've always wanted to work with him. So हमने start किया CAD के साथ.
What a great way.
And Ranveer sir, I think मैं स्क्रीन पे देखी थी कि he has amazing energy, infectious energy, and मैं बहुत curious थी कि off screen कैसे रहेंगे. And then I realized आते ही वो बस माहौल बन जाता था. So I'm so glad that I got to do this with them.
माहौल बहन अब यहाँ पर भी बनने वाला है, you guys, in a little bit. But before that, our gorgeous, very super talented Sri Leela के लिए जोरदार तालियां before we bring this together. And I feel like a किस्सा should happen with the audience. Let's do it this
वो
way.
किसिक है पर ठीक है.
हाँ जी, किसिक. All right, let's do this. Everybody shout out. All right, thank you so much, Sri Leela. While we wait before we bring on the ad, can we have you on stage, please? So wonderful. The people have been waiting to get a glimpse of you. Thank you for being here with us.
No, it's been. कैसे हैं सब लोग? सब फर्स्ट क्लास?
दिवाली
सबको दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं मेरी तरफ से और मेरी फैमिली की तरफ से. और एक किस्म से हैप्पी न्यू ईयर भी है ना? हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. Happy Diwali, happy Diwali, happy Diwali.
All right, it's so good to see you here, looking very dapper as always. Bobby, you have to tell us कि हर बार हम आपको देखते हैं आजकल, and you are in a different roop, a different avatar. What is it feeling like this space right now?
मैं बस खुश हूँ, मैं मेहनत कर रहा हूँ और मैं सही जगह पे पहुँच जाता हूँ, मुझे सही चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं और क्या कहूँ, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि चिंग का हिस्सा बनूंगा मैं और अब अभी पता चला कि 10 साल से रणवीर इसकी ऐड कर रहा है. दैट्स अमेजिंग. 10 साल, पूरा डिकेड. अमेजिंग. सो आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी कि मुझे श्रीलीला और एटली के साथ काम करने को मिला और रणवीर के साथ मौका मिला.
Yes.
You know.
Yes. So,
So,
it was a good experience. We're about to see. What are we about to see, sir? What are we about to see? आपका एक और अवतार होगा, so I'm just wondering.
वो तो मैंने भी नहीं देखा अभी तक, सिर्फ शूट किया है.
All right. I love it when you know the actor gets surprised himself. So thank you so much, Bobby Deol. Everybody, put your hands together.
श्रीलीला मेरी गलती हो गई. श्रीलीला. I'm really sorry. I get confused sometimes, but I think sorry.
Thank you. This is a very exciting moment for everybody जो यहाँ पर हैं. आप कुछ शब्द कहना चाहेंगे?
I don't get you.
Would you like to say a few words about
Yeah.
this fabulous collaboration that you've done? This is the first time that you're directing an ad film.
Yeah.
It's larger than life. You've done it for Ching's Secret.
Yeah. Oh, good evening, everyone, and happy Diwali to everyone. And this is my first ad film. Really, I'm very thankful to Ajay Gupta ji and Deepika ma'am for bringing Chings to me. When they called for the first time and they checked with my team, I said, ad, I don't think so. I have time. Then Ajay sir wanted to meet me. He met me, he didn't ask anything. After seeing him, I couldn't say anything to him. I said, yes, sir, let's do it. So he's such a very godly mindset and a very calm guy. And then later I met Deepika ma'am. She's another level. And such a sweet team. They brought a lot of stuff to me. And thanks to the team. And a special thanks to RS sir, Ranveer sir. He's an amazing guy. I can never say no to him, and he's he's, in one word I have to say, Ranveer means it's entertainment. So I took it on my hand and I tried my level best, and God is so kind. Thank you. Thanks for this opportunity. I hope you all love it. Thank you.
All right. Ranveer. They have been waiting for you. Betabi say, please take stage.
It is good to see you.
Thank you. It's good
The
to see you.
OG is in the house. Always good vibes when Malishka is in the house.
Thank you, my love. I'm going to live off this for days, but please.
How you doing?
Very well.
थैंक यू आप सभी लोगों को संडे के संडे हमारे साथ बिताने आए हैं. हैप्पी दिवाली सबको हैप्पी दिवाली. वो क्या गाना था कौन सा गाना था वो एक होम डिलीवरी से ना हैप्पी दिवाली. भाई सर कुछ नया दिवाली का गाना बनाओ सर. वो कितना चलाएंगे लोग. हैप्पी दिवाली. हैप्पी दिवाली. हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं आप सभी को. So lovely to see all the familiar faces. So lovely to see you, sir, ma'am, all the senior journalists with us here today for this grand and glorious event, the new edition of Ching. 11 साल हो गए, sir. 11 years I've been the brand ambassador of Ching's. This is one of my first ever endorsements.
Put your hands together. This does not happen often.
It's quite rare, you know, more than 10 years to be associated with a brand, but I feel like it's my own. Where is Ajay sir? I don't say Ajay sir. Where's the main man? Ajay sir नहीं आए.
But Deepika is here.
कहाँ है अजय सर?
पहुंच रहे होंगे.
अच्छा. Okay, I must speak about Ajay sir. Ajay sir has treated me like a true collaborator in this journey. He invited me to be a part of the creatives from the very beginning. And over the years, we built a reputation for doing something innovative and disruptive in the world of advertising. So many occasions, it's become a case study. The kind of stuff we made and put out there, it's always a blast. And he's always thinking bigger and bigger and bigger. You know, he's not one to rest on his laurels. So he's always wanting to make our presentation and the appeal of our brand larger and bigger. So it was his idea to get this man on board to make the biggest one yet. Not many people know this, sir, or rather without your permission, I will tell everybody that many, many years ago, before he became a household name in Jawan and became the biggest director in India, I had messaged him after, I think, the release of Marsal. I was like, sir, I love your cinema. You should come to Mumbai and we should make some movies together. This is back then. So I've always wanted to collaborate with Atlee, sir. He's been such a dear friend to me over the years. And it's always great hanging out with him. So to be working with him and his super duper awesome team being in front of the lens of Mr. G.K. Vishnu, what a great honor, what a great delight. And I happened to visit him on his set of his current film because my wife was shooting with him. And you may have heard this before, but you can hear it from me, take it from me. He is creating something that you will have never experienced in Indian cinema before.
Woot!
Round of applause
Yay!
for the man. Thank you for doing this for us, sir. I love the movie. It put a big smile on my face when I saw it. And it's all you, sir. King of Masala. And it's only appropriate that he would direct the definitive presentation of Ching's. Coming to this fine gentleman on my left. बॉबी सर के लुक के बारे में क्या ख्याल है आपका? Isn't he looking hot and spicy? देखो बॉबी सर को देखो. हम सुधर गए, बॉबी सर बिगड़ गए. हाँ? इतना लोहा पेल रहे कि आजकल स्लीव्स का नामो निशान नहीं है. स्लीव्स नहीं होते. जहां देखो बॉबी सर डोले शोले. I love it, Bobby sir. I'm here for it. I'm all here for it. What a great honor it is for me to be collaborating with Bobby sir. You know, I'm a 90s baby, and it's no secret that I've grown up on 90s Hindi movies. So they are all my heroes. You know, they say "Tu to sabko bolta hai," but that's a fact. I've grown up on Hindi movies from the 90s. So all the heroes from the Hindi movies of the 90s are all my heroes. I've had the great privilege of working with so many of them: Anil Kapoor, Govinda ji, Sanjay Dutt, Akshay Khanna, Madhavan, Ajay sir, Akshay sir, and now Bobby sir, whose first movie I went to see in the theater. तेरी अदाओं पे मरता हूँ. तुझसे बिछड़ने डरती हूँ. Love तुझे love में. Jungle boy. You know, everybody talks nowadays about Animal and about Bads of Bollywood, which has become one of the biggest streaming shows of all time. A round of applause for the Bads of Bollywood, led by this fine gentleman, this fine artist. It was such a blast to be with him. It is undoubtedly the Lord Bobby Renaissance era, and I'm all here for it. I saw it before it happened, honestly. Before you all knew it, I was like, Bobby sir is onto something. I saw Love Hostel. If you haven't, you can catch it. Yeah, right? Too good, no? Just his eyes. And Bobby sir, thank you for being a part of this. Thank you for taking time out, at least Bobby sir, out of your busy schedules and being with us here today. This wouldn't have been as grand or glorious without your presence here, which brings me to Shri Leela, the real national crush. I think it came out in the news that Shri Leela and I would be working on something. So from 4 bungalows to Bangalore, I'm getting messages from my friends and all my cousins and all people like, Shri Leela, bro, what are you working with Shri Leela, bro? A friend of mine came out of Pushpa. He was like, man, the best thing was that girl in the Kisik song. He's like, man, if you ever meet her, you make me meet her. And this is somebody who doesn't watch too many movies either. So I think Kisik was a great big breakthrough. I think my cousin from Bangalore also, he was like, bro, Shri Leela, please just get me a picture with Shri Leela. So there was all of this excitement. I'm very excited to see her Hindi debut. She's working with one of the finest filmmakers of our film industry, Mr. Basu. I'm really looking forward to that movie. And thank you for doing this with us, Shri Leela. It was really fun working with you. I think she's extremely beautiful and talented. This everybody knows. But what I can tell you is that she has an absolutely stellar, unquestionable work ethic, which is why I believe she's going to be one of the biggest stars in the years to come.
Wow.
And with that, I will let you enjoy what this man has created. I think it's about that time. Let's, sir?
Let's go, I guess.
Let's play it.
Ranveer Singh, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
और मालकिन
कुछ भी
पिक्चर शुरू करें मालकिन आपको कुछ कहना है मालकिन
10 साल का प्यार बताना है
जफ्फी वाले
So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please put your hands together for Ranveer Singh. ये उनका
Thank
alter
you,
ego बन चुका
everybody.
है, obviously.
संडे के संडे आप आए मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूं जो आप देखने वाले हैं आप एंजॉय करोगे सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू मैम
Thank you, Ranveer.